Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start question number 4 of exercise 2.1 class 11 maths. For this you must know how to take transpose of a matrix. Let's say there is a matrix A which is equal to A, B, C, D and E, F. How do we take its transpose? We are going to change any one of them. Okay, row into column. Either we are going to do this thing or we are going to change the column into row. We are going to do any one of these, but we are basically meant to do both of them. Okay, so here when we take transpose, this is its first row, we are going to change it into its first column. So A, C, E are written in the first row, so they are going to be written in the first column, so it is going to be A, C and E. Similarly for B, D and F are the second row, so they will become the second column. Here they are written as B, D and F and enclosed in square brackets to form a matrix. Now, what is a symmetric matrix and what is a skew symmetric matrix? For a matrix to be symmetric, it should be equal to its transpose. Both of them should be equal to each other. Here they are not, but if they both are equal to each other, then they are said to be symmetric matrix. But if A equals minus A transpose, or you can also write it as minus A equals A transpose, then it is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. You take negative of A means that you change all the sign of the elements of A. It becomes minus A, minus B, minus C, minus D, and minus C and minus F. It is called minus A. Okay, and if it becomes equal to A transpose, then it is called a skew symmetric matrix. Now we are going to start question number 4. Okay, in question number 4 you are given with this matrix as A and you have to check if it is symmetric or skew symmetric. So first of all I am going to write it over here. A equals 2 square root of 5 and 1, and the next column is 0, 6 and 9. Now we have to check whether A is symmetric or skew symmetric or none of these. So first of all we are going to find its transpose. A transpose equals 2, 0 is to be changed into this column. 5 square root of 5 and 6 are the second row and they will be changed into the second column. Square root of 5 and 6, and then same for 1 and 9. They both are not equal. Now we are going to check it for skew symmetric. So we are going to find negative of A equals minus 2, minus 0 is also 0, minus square root of 5 and minus 6, minus 1 and minus 9. So they both are not equal. No, sorry, they both are not equal, so they are not skew symmetric, and they both are not equal, so they are not symmetric. So it is neither skew symmetric nor symmetric. Now we are going to move towards part B, which is B equals 1, 6, 2 and 0. First of all we are going to take its transpose. B transpose equals 1. This row is changed into the first column, 1, 6, 2 and 0, and it ends. And then we are going to find minus B, so which is equal to, all the element sign are changed, so we get negative 1, negative 6, negative 2 and 0 remains 0. So minus B and B transpose are not equal, so it is not skew symmetric, and B is not equal to B transpose, so it is not even symmetric, so it is neither of them. Now we are going to find for C. So C equals 2, 6, 9 and 2. Let me check it again. Yeah, it is 2, 6, 9 and 2. Okay. So this is C. We are going to find C transpose. The first row is changed into the first column and the second row is changed into the second column. So first row is changed into 2, 6, first column, and the second column would be 9 and 2, and they both are not equal, so it is not symmetric. And for skew symmetric we are going to find negative of C, which is equal to, all these signs are changed, so minus 2, minus 9, minus 6 and minus 2. They both are not equal, so this is not even skew symmetric. For part D, I am going to write the matrix here first. D equals 0, 1, 9, then it is minus 1, 0, 5 and minus 9, minus 5 and 0. So first of all we are going to find the transpose of this matrix. D transpose equals we are going to change this first row into first column, so it is 0, 1, 9. Then the second row into the second column, so -1, 0, 5. And the third row into the third column, which is -9, -5 and 0. They both are not equal, therefore it is not symmetric. Now we have to find minus of d, which is equal to, now we have to change the sign of each and every of its elements. So we get 0 is 0, 1 becomes -1, 9 becomes -9, -1 becomes 1, 0 is remains as it is, and 5 becomes -5, -9 becomes 9, -5 becomes 5, and 0 remains as it is. And then we are going to enclose it in brackets, and we see that minus d, this matrix, equals d transpose, and when this happens, it is called, okay, it is called a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so minus d equals d transpose, it is a skew symmetric matrix, and I'm going to write it over here with this one, skew symmetric. Okay, yes, now we are going to do it for part E. Okay, this is your matrix E, which is 3, -6 and 9, -6, 3 and 0, and 9, 0, 0. So first of all, we are going to find its transpose. E transpose, sorry, it's, yes, it's messing with me. E transpose equals, what is it equal to? We are going to just put it over here. Okay, E transpose equals, we are going to change this first row into the first column, so it is 3, -6 and 9. Then the second row into the second column, -6, 3 and 0, -6, 3 and 0. And the third row into the third column, so 9, 0, 0. And we see that the matrix E equals matrix E transpose. Both of them are equal, so what is it? Yeah, it is going to be symmetric matrix, because E equals E transpose, so this one is symmetric. Now we have to find this for F part. F part is 9, 0, 1, 0, 6, 3 and 0, 0, 1. Okay, F equals 9, 0, 1, 0, 6, 3, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to find F transpose. F transpose equals, the first row is changed into the first column, so we get 9, 0, 1. The second row into the second column, 0, 6, 3. And the third row into the third column, 0, 0, 1. Both of them are not equal. You can see 1, 3, 1, and there are no 1, 3. And similarly, there is 0, 0 over here, and it becomes 1, 3. So these two are not equal. We are going to find minus f to check if it is skew symmetric or not. So minus f equals, we are going to change the sign of all of the elements contained in f. So it becomes -9, 0 remains as it is, and 1 becomes -1, 0, -6 and -3. 0 and 0 remain same, and 1 changes into -1. It is equal to none of these, so it is not even skew symmetric, so this one is also neither. What is it happening? So this was your question number 4. Thank you so much.